so nice in the rain because the path's empty. And it's warm rain, isn't it? It's warm and humid, so it's actually quite nice.
Quite cool.
Yeah, refreshing to walk in the rain. Where's Starbucks?
I don't know. Priorities.
I want a strawberry lemonade.
Oh my god, I love it. I also like this. Is this just mini?
$20. Do you want it?
No, because I never use them.
Okay.
I like this, if it was Mickey Mouse.
How much is it?
That is $20. Do you want this?
Oh, they're cute, aren't they?
Is it an egg holder?
I
Or
think so, yeah.
is this an ashtray? No. Doesn't even
One item at a time. Can you tell us the prices, please?
Oh, that is $10. I've just worked out what this is though. It's a drain unblocker.
That's cool. And also, look, a spoon holder.
Your mum would like that.
$9.95.
How much are these frames? Quite a lot.
Pick one. Tell us.
Oh, look. They ship them to you if you've got no room in your luggage.
Ah,
So we'll pick this. Oh no, this one's quite nice actually.
you want that one?
This one, $29.99.
I've lost Georgie. I know that if I lose Georgie, there's one place I have to go to find him. And that's Starbucks. Found you.
Yeah.
So I
I'm
said,
all
I,
wet.
I said to camera I'd lost you, and I said whenever I lose Georgie,
I'm in
to find the
Starbucks.
nearest Starbucks. And here he was.
The rain's proper coming down now. Are we going to put our ponchos on like this?
I don't know, well I'm wearing a quick drying t-shirt, so
And I don't mind getting
which
wet.
is already dry.
Is it? That's quite nice. I might just go with this and see how wet I get. The only annoying thing is I can't wear my glasses during the rain. And
Perhaps we should get you some goggles.
oh, that would work. Prescription goggles. As the rains down in Africa.
So what is this mysterious FastPass that's appeared on our account?
This is because the Rapids was closed due to the storm when we was going to go on it. Then it reopened, so we got a free FastPass for any attraction here in Animal Kingdom, except Flight of Passage or Na'vi River Journey.
Of course.
But if you remember, we did book Flight of Passage, but for some reason it went missing off our account. The other night we went into like modify some reservations and the Flight of Passage disappeared. So he's recommended we go to guest relations and speak to them because they might be able to sort something. Because we did have it planned. It's already been on our Na'vi River Journey, so it might be worth doing that. This FastPass anyway, you can use it all day for any of these attractions. So it's up to you. Oh, aren't they cute? What are they? Marshmallow?
Yeah.
Are they apple?
Coconut tigers.
It's like a cookie. Got onto Kali River Rapids. We're going up backwards on the Mount
As well.
We are, yeah. It's been pouring down with rain, so we're soaking wet. So can you see the lift? It's so sunny now. I didn't realise I just put the first camera on. No way. Here we go.
Whoa!
Oh, there's more. Oh no. Just rinsing my hair out.
How was that for you?
Do you know, you got a lot more wet than I remember. I swear you only got like a little bit wet, but that was like Popeyes.
No, it wasn't.
Well, it was close.
No,
It was
it
close
really
to Popeyes.
wasn't. He's exaggerating.
No, I'm not. I never
That-
exaggerate.
It was like Alton Towers Rapids wet.
Yeah,
that
it
was.
It's good fun though, isn't it?
Yeah, I think because we were already wet as well, it helped.
Yeah, and it's nice to cool down, but as soon as you get off it in this heat, it just gets sticky, doesn't it? It's
Yeah.
quite horrible.
Oh, everyone keeps complimenting you on your shirt as
Oh,
well.
did
I
you?
don't know if we've shown people this before.
This is my Coco shirt, and if you look closely, you've got every single character on there.
Oh yeah, there he is.
Yeah.
Caitlin, I will be your safari driver today. Now the red guy, that's one of my
There
favorites.
is a live
Yellowback duiker hanging
human
out in the middle. Now the yellowback duiker
this area
has
of
a
the
little
park.
yellow dorsal crest that flares right when... Alright, we are headed into that softy bit. He's actually walking on these like a doggy paddle right now, if you can tell, on the bottom. Like I was saying, he's not very good swimmer. Now the white birds on our left are the pink-backed pelicans. They don't look very pink right now because they turn pink during the mating season, which tends to be in the springtime. They also have an impressive wingspan, about 7 to 9 feet, which is the whole width of this canopy on the truck. Here's some more hippos, guys. This one is sleeping underwater right now. Even so, they'll sleep for those 8 minutes and they'll still actually rise up to get that air. They have the same amount of teeth as we do as humans too, hippos do. Now they look very cute and cuddly, friends, but I will be warned that they are not fluffy dogs. They actually have a better hunting rate than lions and hyenas. They're more successful than any of those animals out there. Females actually do give birth in a standing position. So the first thing a baby like she experienced was gravity. She had a nice 6-foot drop to that ground. You guys can see it as we go pulley. When they're super close, we just can't stop, really not. They're very curious.
Alright.
A lot. You guys can see him. And then we also have a mandrill monkey over there by the end of that bush over there. He's hanging out on the left-hand side. They're the largest monkeys. They have Rafiki painted faces and the 2-inch long canine teeth that they use to flare at each other. People think it's an act of aggression, but it's actually an act of excitement. Anyway, I just got a call from the warden saying we're going to be going across our old rickety bridge. We actually just redid it out of some gorilla duct tape. Yeah. I'm sure we'll stick it out, guys, but you never know. This tape, usually something happens with it. Now, it definitely has seen better days. It also makes really weird noises, but that's just this bridge here in Harambe, guys. Come on, guys, please, your right-hand side, your other right-hand side. Guys, where are you going? We're not going to make it, friends. We're not going to make it. The tape's never going to come back. Oh, my God, we're never going to make it. And we made it. You guys freaked out back there. I knew that tape was going to let us back down. We were all good, guys. Hakuna Matata means no worries. And just so you know, that bridge will never get fixed fully. Ooh, I'm actually gonna come around. Oh, baby elephant's moving right now. We'll see as we go around, friends. Now she's about almost 2 years old. She'll hit 2 in December. She's like moving. We're trying to like play tag right now. She's going and I'm going. We'll see as we get up here. She's about 2,000 pounds. Look. Now they run about 40 miles per hour and they actually cannot fly. They're not flightless. They were only when they flap their wings that actually helps them to change direction.